Hi, everybody. My name is Mohammed Sheikh. I'm an NLP trainer and a clinical hypnotist. I've been helping people create change in their lives since 2013. Whether it's an emotional block, a belief that's holding you back, or behaviors that are keeping you stuck, I can help. I'm really excited to join Ahmed, Zayed, and each of you where I will be helping you get the confidence and the mindset you need to achieve success. During the event, we are going to do real work and break through all of the reasons that get in the way of doing what you want to do. In this event, we will work together to create the exact parts of your personality that you need to have and that actually already knows how to get you your goals. I'm not another guest speaker, and you will not be passively watching another Zoom presentation. This will be a hands-on session where cameras are required to be on and your participation is mandatory. That's right. I will lead each of you through a hypnotic journey which will leave you feeling empowered, confident, and best of all, I will teach you how to do it all by yourself. You don't want to miss this event. So see you on June 17th. Bye for now.